Hi there, this is Lori from thenovastudio.com, and I'm really excited to be finally cutting my cold process Spearmint Eucalyptus soap that I made in a private lesson this past week. So this is the loaf, and it's a little over a 3-pound batch. I did it in a silicone log mold, and it kind of got smushed on the edges, which has to do something with the fact that I filled it too full, and so I had a really hard time getting it out of the mold. But here it is. I'm excited. It was supposed to just have a layer of charcoal at the top, but after I put the charcoal on, I had more green left over, so I just went ahead and did another layer. So it looks kind of funky on the sides here, but it'll look a little bit more clean once I actually cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and open my cutter, put it in, and see what we've got. Here we go. Cut pretty easily, not too hard. Ooh, nice. Kind of what I was hoping it would look like. It's a very oddly shaped bar because, again, I overfilled it. It's a very large bar. But as you can see, my layer's not too even. My soap was kind of thick, but you know, I wasn't necessarily going for anything in particular. It's kind of like a mustache, doesn't it? Actually, it looks a bit like Frankenstein's or something with hair. Frankenstein's head. So I'm not actually sure how I'm gonna, if I'm gonna leave it this large. It's pretty big, barely fits in my hand there, but my husband would probably like it. Anybody who's got a bigger hand, might be a good size for a guy. I could also cut it like this into 2 half bars, which would be good for the sink. One half could have the sort of strange layer, and the other half could not have any layer whatsoever. So there you have it, and oh, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. It smells like spearmint and eucalyptus. More spearmint than eucalyptus, just because that's what I prefer. And it's really fresh and clean, and it has little poppy seeds in it. So that makes for a really nice exfoliant and helps kick up the soap lather a bit. And as you can see, this one has a bit of soda ash on top. I could scrape that off or brush it off, but I kind of like it on certain bars. I don't know. We'll see when I get to the beveling stage in a couple of days if I am inspired to change that or just leave it the way it is. But there it is. Spearmint eucalyptus bar that I made in my cold process private lesson with Carlene. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.